Hello, Fuelers. I'm Coach Tiff.
I'm Coach Brian.
We just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what you can expect in September and October for programming. You will not see Move Strong on the schedule anymore on Wednesdays. We're changing it to Persist, which is the Monday and Friday class. It will also be on Wednesdays.
Oh, okay.
So you can expect to see similar programming for Wednesdays that you see on Monday and Friday. Another addition or change to the schedule is that on Saturdays we will have, and which already started, is barbell lifters at 10 o'clock. And in that class, you can expect to see 2 main barbell lifts and some accessory work with a little bit of conditioning thrown in there as well.
Starting on September 6th, how is it already September? We've got the small groups launching the simple strength squats. These are geared up to kind of get you ready for TSC if you are looking to participate in that. It's going to be very specific programming to get you ready for the event at the end of October. We're going to be covering barbell deadlifts, kettlebell snatches, pull-ups, swings, and get-ups. Now, whether or not you are actually training for TSC, this is still a great way for you to dial in some skills, get better at certain movements that we don't really get to dive into as deeply in group classes, and still be functionally strong as heck. So, inquire for details there. Next, if you are staying in group classes and you're not interested in the simple strength squad small groups, that's okay. We're still going to have similar movements through the week as far as our deadlifts, our pull-ups, some snatches, swings and get-ups, but we're not going to follow the same weekly progressions that you're going to see in the small groups. So we're still working on them. It's just going to be a little different. You're going to see some different formatting there, and you won't have those weekly progressions.
If you do want to sign up for TSC, which I highly recommend it, and you don't end up doing a small group, but you are coming to classes, I highly recommend bringing a notebook so that when you do your deadlifts, pull-ups, and snatches, you can keep track of the weights you're using. And then it can also give you an idea of, in class, the type of reps and weights you want to use as you go. That way you can progress yourself. Lastly, we just want to talk a little bit about the formatting in the group classes. And this kind of changed already in August as we were trying some things out. Brian and I write the programming, and we've been giving you guys some bigger chunks of work time, some chippers, some EMOMs where you're working every minute on the minute. We're working a little bit more on conditioning, some higher reps, and really focusing on quality movement.
So in closing, those are some of the big updates that you need to be aware of coming this September and October. Always be sure to read the newsletter, check the blog, make sure that you know all the things, and then read the announcement board when you come into class. We'll see you on the main floor.